So I'm Mike Wood. I'm the Director of Infrastructure for CAVCO Industries. So CAVCO is a national manufacturer of factory-built homes. We do business across the country. We have offices in over 100 locations within the United States. Our IT organization is about 50 people, supporting primarily the internal users within CAVCO, spread across our manufacturing sites, our retail sites, and a few corporate sites across the country. We're primarily an on-premise sort of IT organization. We're using a lot of products similar to other customers. So we're using Cisco for networking, we're using HP for servers, and so on. But yeah, it's a very challenging environment, but we're very happy to be supporting what we think is a great mission, which is providing housing for people. Part of what we're trying to do is that CAVCO is a very fast-growing company, and we are attempting to move sort of our IT processes more into an enterprise way of operating, right? A bit more structure, a bit more organization, a bit more process-driven in what we're trying to deliver within our organization. And so as I joined the company, we're looking to leverage tools to allow us to do exactly that, right? More organized process with regard to things like ITIL process, users reporting issues, users requesting different things about service, such as user access and so on, trying to make more of a standardized process in those areas, right? And then trying to mature our security, right? So being more proactive with regard to updating software on our PCs, servers, and so on. So leveraging tools in that area. We're using Endpoint Central from ManageEngine for that capability now. And then also looking to mature our operational process. So implementing more proactive monitoring, making the ability to respond to issues. Our goal, of course, is to respond to issues before they happen. Try to have our monitoring tools tell us before the users are actually impacted by an issue. But even if we're not able to tell, we want to know things are going on without a user having to call us instead. So overall, we're trying to mature the IT process within the organization. And so we're looking to use enterprise class tools in order to help us do that. So at the start, we used ServiceDesk Plus, right? Our first thing that we wanted to have was a way to manage our tickets, manage service requests and so on. So we started with ServiceDesk Plus. The next big product we use, we had an existing software deployment tool. We were not being successful. And so we said we needed to try something different. So we did an evaluation of different tools that we could use. And since we had a positive experience with ServiceDesk Plus, we looked at Endpoint Central. And this is the tool that we chose on. The primary reason we chose Endpoint Central was ease of use, right? Allowed us to have a faster way to actually have the product implemented and allow us to be generating results. And we actually achieved that. So within only 6 months of implementing the tool, we had almost all endpoints within the organization registered within the tool, and we started on operating system patching right away. Today's world, every company has to have a focus on security. CAVCO is a public company, and so there's even more sort of scrutiny on our ability to secure our data, our customers' data, and so on. And so extra effort has been placed recently on also increasing not only our IT maturity, but our maturity with regard to security. And so one of the first things we're focusing on is vulnerability management. And Endpoint Central has been a great tool in helping us become more mature from a vulnerabilities point of view, right? Expanding beyond just operating system patching, but moving on to also third-party software patching. And actually within the last 3 months, we have put quite a bit of effort in this area and have made significant strides in reducing the number of vulnerabilities identified within our environment, and we expect to continue to move in that direction. So first of all, ease of use of the products is number one, right? The ability to have technical staff that are not necessarily full-time developers within ManageEngine products, but are more practitioners of their particular area. So if you have a practitioner that works in the service desk, they can come into SD Plus and be able to get value out of it without being a fully trained developer in the product. And able to get value quickly as opposed to sort of long development times, right? Second is support. I would say, and I know I'm in a testimonial, but I would say that the level of support we get from ManageEngine is probably the best from any software provider that we have had, right? And this is in two areas. One is the speed of response. So when we are opening a ticket or when we're reaching out to a contact within the organization for help with a particular product, we're getting responses actually quite quickly, right? The response on the tickets is fast, and the engagement, even outside of the ticketing system, is very fast. And that the quality of the people that we're speaking to is actually quite good with the products, right? So it's not like you're talking to a level 1 person that just asks them some questions. The person you're talking to is actually very knowledgeable about the product and able to give you assistance right away. And so this is the second one. And then the last, of course, is cost competitiveness, right? I think the products are very cost competitive for the kind of capabilities that they bring. And so for us, it's also much easier for us to have, let's say, more capability, because it allows us within the budget that we have to be able to provide those to our teams and our organization.